You won with a nice mid-game mating tactic. You give yourself dozens of strong options after playing e4. Good job defending that pawn. This seems like a mistake to me. Ouch! You left your pawn hanging. Your better option was to add a defender to a vulnerable knight. Nice find! You found the only move in this position. Good job. Your opponent has no escape. You can force a checkmate.